Jeremy needs 12 minutes to run 1 mile. Which table represents the proportional relationship for x, the number of minutes, and y, the number of miles? So we need to know x is the number of minutes. X is minutes, so that's the first one. And y is the number of miles. That's the second one. So minutes to miles. So we have 12 minutes to substitute it. We have 12 minutes to run 1 mile. So it's going to be 12 to 1. So B we can get rid of because it's 1 to 12, so it's in the wrong order. I'm going to go ahead and make a table here. So this is going to be my x, this is going to be my y. I'm going to draw to make the table. So my group of 2 times 2, 12 times 2 is 24, and 1 times 2 is 2. Then my next group is going to be the times 3 group. So 12 times 3 is 36, and 1 times 3 is 3. And I'm going to stop here because 3 hours is the most hours that we have. So if we come over here on A, we got 12 to 1, 24 to 2, but we do not have 18 to 1.5. But please note that is not on our table because it would be right through here. So that it is actually for us to find it, we're going to come over here and we're going to see is 12 to 1 equal to 18 to 1.5. So on the bottom we multiply. 1 times 1.5 is 1.5. So 12 times 1.5 gives us 18. So that's correct. So this is correct and A is an answer. Now on C, 12 to 1 is correct, 24 to 2, and 36 to 3. So C is also your answer.